Welcome friends, in our Welding Defects series, today we will study about incomplete penetration defect. We will come with more welding defects in next videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more welding and NDT related videos and click the bell icon. You can also join us on Telegram and WhatsApp group for material, discussion, and job updates. Definition of incomplete penetration is a situation where the weld metal does not penetrate as deeply as required. What is corrective action for incomplete penetration? 1. Grind or carbon arc the weld to sound metal. 2. Weld repair the affected area. What are preventive actions for incomplete penetration? 1. Increase the bevel angle or root opening of the fit-up. Do not exceed the requirements of the joint design. 2. Ensure bevel edges of both members are lined up properly. 3. Increase amperes or volts. 4. Decrease travel speed. 5. Maintain appropriate arc length or wire stick out. 6. Adjust torch or rod angle.